The Arthrex ankle fracture management system was developed to offer surgeons multiple options to surgically repair broken ankle bones. There are many different patterns of broken ankle bones. This animation features the repair of a typical fibula bone fracturing using an Arthrex locking distal fibular plate. An incision is made in the skin. The fracture is exposed and realigned. Drill holes are made across the fracture site to allow screw placement. This is known as lag screw. It is used to compress the two ends of the broken bone together. The surgeon will select a metal plate from many options in the ankle fracture management system, depending on the fracture pattern. In this animation, a locking distal fibular plate was selected. The plate will serve to splint and protect the broken bone as it heals. The plate is temporarily tacked in place to allow the surgeon to check its alignment. Satisfied with the plate alignment, the surgeon will place drill holes for screws to firmly hold the plate in position. The temporary tacks are removed to allow for additional screw placement. A special gauge is used to determine the length of the screw required. This particular plate features a unique drilling guide to aid surgeons in placing a cluster of slightly smaller screws into the far end of the plate. These screws are screwed into the bone. The surgeon has the option to lock the screw heads directly into the plate. The drilling guide is removed. Surgeons have the option to place additional screws in the plate. Note, it is often the case that not all available screw holes in the plate are filled with screws. Next, the surgeon will determine if there is an injury to the important soft tissues that connect the two bones of your lower leg together. If this is the case, the surgeon will fix these bones back together. This animation shows the Arthrex ankle tightrope being placed across the injured area to firmly hold the bones in place. The excess suture from the tightrope is removed. The broken bones and torn soft tissue of the ankle are now stabilized to allow for proper healing. The skin incision is closed with simple sutures.